came really close to us.
What?
That bird came really close to us.
Yeah, it was right there. I was like hello.
You pointed and I turned around like, what the heck? Look, they're getting fish.
Hello.
They're getting fish.
Look at that bird.
Ah! Where are you going?
To the gas station to go to the bathroom.
Buc-ee's. Look how big this gas station is. That's a lot of gas. And look how many ices. You know what every bathroom needs? Artwork. This place is crazy.
I've still got some paperwork to do in my office.
His office? That's not his office.
That guy is a weirdo. Mom, are we getting anything here?
Mom, that is the biggest bathroom I've ever seen. That's like a mall.
It had artwork in there.
That's a mall.
I know.
Or a museum. That's like
A museum with toilets.
well, obviously every museum has toilets. That mom. That student say that. What's that? Scared?
My boots need shining. Anybody got some of that boot shining stuff?
Enchanted. Well, remember that squad did this when he would fall down like 10 minutes? I did that.
You okay?
Yeah, but they didn't hurt me. That's what this girl did from Enchanted.
Show me your cool bracelet.
Oh, yeah.
Can I see?
It says no nuts shot much.
That's right. No nuts or you get a shot.
And do you want to see what it does?
Yeah.
It has lasers. Beep. And it has turn into a crier. And it turns into a camera go elsewhere you want to go.
Okay.
Beep.
Where you going? Where you going?
I'm right here. I just spotted here.
Oh. Wow. That's cool.
And it also makes me fly. It also makes me do skiing. If any mean guys get me, then they don't get me.
Pretty cool. Where are we heading to today, Dad?
Ocean. Gulf of Mexico.
That's it? No other details?
I'm trying to concentrate.
We might go on a ferry. And yeah. Oh, so Tinsel followed us into our car, and so when we went to the car, he was by the window.
Tinsel is our elf on the shelf, and he just discovered where we were, even though we're not at the RV.
Mom, we decided that the name for the reindeer is Mistletoe, and it's a girl because I
they agree to that?
Well, Wyatt and me.
So it's a rainy day here in Texas, and we are heading from the NASA area of Houston to Galveston, Texas. We went there the other night, but it was dark, and so we're going to go back and explore a little bit in the daytime. Maybe take a ferry ride. And I've never been there, so I don't know much about it, but you always hear about Galveston because people leave for cruises. In fact, last night in the hot tub of the hotel, we were chatting it up with some people that were heading out on a cruise today to the Bahamas. Doug is from Houston, so he's been to Galveston, and the only thing I know about it are the stories he told me where he'd hear about oil spills, and then they'd go to Galveston, and his mom would say, go swim out there in the ocean, and then he'd be wondering, I'm supposed to swim in the oil and the sharks, and he was all alone. Anyway, he has what's the story?
The story was when I was a little kid, they took me down there, and there were a couple of oil spills by the tankers. So sometimes we'd go down to the ocean, and from a little kid perspective, I'd walk on the ocean, and you'd see on the beach, walk on the beach, and you'd see these little pockets of black oil and tar on the beach because it would wash ashore. And I'm sitting there thinking, don't step on that because it'll, stick to you, and then how do you get it off? And then I'm looking out at the ocean, and you would always, every once in a while, see these little, I don't know, cages or signs with a buoy or something. And it would always say, caution, shark seen here recently, or something like that. And I'd be like, well, do I want to stay on the beach or go in the water? Which one is the worst? And I was always scared.
Which one's the worst? Yeah, I was close. I don't even know what else is there, but I know there's a beach, and I love the ocean, so we're gonna at least smell the ocean, but not get in probably, because it's cold this time of year. We looked it up, and the water is supposed to be 65 degrees. So that's a little too cold for us. So hopefully if we get to Florida,
What's the other?
they're voting on the elf name.
How are you today? Everybody doing good? My name is Clark, and I'll be your safari guide today. Let's see, have you guys been here before?
Ready.
They gave me onions, Mom. Do you want it?
Yeah?
Look at my pizza. It's small. I thought it would be bigger.
What?
I go take a picture. I just wanted my own one. Wait, look.
You can share, Max.
What about this one? Here, you can get it.
Check out some of these houses. They're so colorful, and some of them are huge and some are small. But check out this one that we just passed by. It's so big. Tons of churches here, like all within the same couple blocks. We saw just giant churches that were different religions. What were some of the religions, Doug?
Catholic, Methodist, Presbyterian.
Anyway, some of the churches don't even have like specific religious names. Like some are just called Bible Church or First Street Church. But there's a lot, and we were saying maybe it's hard to fill the seats each week because there's not a lot of people down here, are there? To go to all these different churches.
Galveston's big, yeah.
Have you been on a ferry?
Yes, I have.
Yeah.
I used to do this when I was a little kid.
Wait, what? What's that?
Yeah, I used to do this when I was a little kid.
What?
Couldn't get enough of it all. We kept it going for so long, so long. I don't know where I would be if we let it go. Cause every time we try to break it down and build again, yeah, every time we try to make up for something lost, you know, we're never letting go. Standing there with someone new.
What do you guys think of a ferry?
I just want a cruise.
Yeah, don't we all? Say land ho! I bet during hurricanes it comes right up, doesn't it?
Or even if there's high tide.
Hey, you guys, if there's a hurricane or the water comes up, it would cover this whole road.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's not scary.
Like, that's why there's water over here. Look, it covered the
Because
road.
we're on a peninsula, guys, so that means there's water on both sides, and you're going through the middle of it on a small strip of land.
Dolphin! Where?
Where?
Dolphin! Dolphin!
Close by?
Yeah, they were right there. Dolphin! Where? Over there. Dolphin! I see one. Dolphin!
Yeah, that one came really close to us.
What?
That bird came really close to us.
Yeah, it was right there.
You pointed and I turned around like, what the heck? Look, they're getting fish.
Hello.
They're getting fish.
Look at that bird.
Ah!
It's gonna drive in so much.
He's like so close
It's
to
gonna
us.
go into their window. I swear that car's window.
They're so close to us.
Birds. Look at all the birds. They're like so close.
What?
Going back to the car.
No, enjoy.
I've already enjoyed it.
Do you remember when we couldn't get enough of it all? We kept it going for so long, so long. You know